very happy day all today. So today I thought, let me start off with the letter writing. This is very useful for 8th, 9th and 10th classes. And children, the letter writing are very, very important. Okay, it fetches you 5 marks from the exam point of view. Okay, so I thought let me start off with this also as a unit. Okay, now when we come to letter writing, okay, it's divided into how many there? One is official, one is unofficial. Okay, children. So when you say official, what's the meaning of official? It is formal letter writing. Okay, they say it's formal letter writing, so it will be not your relatives. Okay, it's your higher authority like headmistress ma'am, the BBMP, the counselor, the editor. So who are not your relatives. So all comes under your formal, or we call it as your official letter writing. Next is unofficial letter writing. That's your personal letter writing. So apart from the person's officers, okay. So here it comes to these people like your cousins, your father, your mother, all those things Okay, children, have you understood that? So letter writing is of 2 types. One is official, one is unofficial. Okay. Now right now I'm going to take about is what the unofficial letter writing. So what is this unofficial letter writing? Means I've told you it is not for the official persons. They're all for the relatives, your friends, okay, and all these people then. Yes, children. These are all friendly letters. So these are all friendly letters. So I told you friendly letters means what? It's to your relatives, your cousins, your father, your mother, brother, sister, for all these people. Okay. The language used here is informal. Like you can be informal. Hi mommy, how are you? Hi uncle. So this is all what called as informal letter writing. So you can ask about your pet animals there at home there. So many things are there, children. Okay, your favorite food you can discuss in this letter writing. So many things can be done here. Should have 3 to 4 paragraphs compulsory. So how many paragraphs you should have there? 3 to 4 paragraphs. And here active voice is commonly used. I think you have learned your change of voices there. Active voice and your passive voice. So active voice, the verbs will be very, very active here. So here this can be your mummy, are you cooking? So you can just talk like that there. Okay, but in formals you cannot do like that. Okay. Next, the salutation, subscription, etc. are in the following family. What I'm going to teach you now will be in the pattern of those things. Okay. Now when you come to pattern, children, there are 2 patterns. One is the box pattern and one is your traditional pattern. Okay, these are 2 patterns. That's a box and your traditional. Now let me teach the box pattern first. So what is this box pattern that I'm going to talk about here then? So here, it's actually a personal letter writing, unofficial letter writing there. Here, there is nothing called as from, but they should know from where you're writing it there. So the first thing will be, it will start from here. So you will write your name. Your name will be written here first. Then it will be your address. Okay. Now coming to your date. See children, date, only one pattern is there. You should write it as what? Suppose I have taken 4th June. So you should written as 4th June 2020. Now this is a pattern that you're supposed to write. Don't write as June 4th, okay, 2020. This is wrong. Okay. Again you should not write as what? 4/6/2020. Okay, understood children there? These both are the wrong method. Okay, the only method that they're going to write is what? 4th June 2020. So next is what? You're going to write about what? Respected. You can't use respected, right? So you can use what? Dear father. Okay, then you can even use as one more term, you can use as what? My dear also you can use. Okay, but you are not supposed to use the word to my dear and all. Okay, so here the 2 pattern that you can use is what? Dear father, my dear mother. Okay, all this you can use, but this is wrong. You should never use the word to here. Have you understood? So dear father, my dear father, this is the right pattern there. Okay, next on the body of the letter, here you have got 3 paragraphs you're supposed to write. How many paragraphs there? 3 paragraphs. Nowadays even out of 4 paragraphs also there. So first thing when you start children, how do you write there, right? First you should be all right, isn't it? Right, writing. So first write, I am fine. Okay, full stop. And when you ask how are you, father, mother, all these things, when you ask a question, please punctuate with a question mark. So all that introduction will be in the first para. The second para will deal with all your the content, what exactly. Suppose you want money from your father, or you go on a trip there, you need a permission from your father, or you just want to talk to your friend about the studies there. All this content, the content exactly what you want to convey should be in your second para. Third para, you can make a genuine thing like what? Convey my wishes there, you can write for your birthdays also sometimes, or you can convey my the love towards your father, mother, all this can be in that paragraph, okay? And last one, you can write as what there, children. So it's a very, what do you say, personal letter writing. So you can write your. Y should always be in capital letters. So it should be your loving, okay, son, or you can write your loving daughter. I'm writing all this in your margin here. So everything is in the margin. Your loving son or your loving daughter. Okay, children. Now let's write about this there. So you can write yours loving. Okay, yours affectionately. Many things you can write. So when you write your loving son there, son or daughter. Next you can write is what? Other way you can write is yours affectionately. You can write as what? Yours affectionately. Okay, S should be here. There is no apostrophe. Yes. Then your name. Right, children? Your name has to be written. So sometimes in the 10th science, what happened? They ask you to imagine a name. So you will not write your name. It will be imagined name there. Okay. So what happens there? At that time you have to use only that name. Am I clear, children? So once again, it's a box pattern. So it will be your what? Your name, your address, the date. I have told you how to write the date there. The salutation, that is dear father or my dear father you can write. Never write two. Then 3 to 4 paragraphs you can write for the body of the thing. Next, your loving son or your daughter or your loving friend, whatever it is, children. Okay. Then suppose you want to use yes, yours. Affectionately, yours lovingly. So it will end usually with your L-Y. Have you clear? Back, children, to the unaffected. I have told you there are two methods, isn't it? One is your box method and one more is your traditional method. So I have taught you about the box method where everything will be to your margin. Now coming to your traditional method. So what is this traditional method? A slight change in that, children. That's all. Okay. This is also very easy there. Okay. And here the thing is what the from address will come towards your right hand corner. So here you will once again mention your from there. You will write your name. Okay. Then you will write your address. Same thing. Here you used to write there, the other side there when you write a box method. Now it will be to your other side there. Okay. Both are right. Okay. Address there. And again your date, I have told you how to write the date there. So it should be as what? 4th June 2020. So I have told you not write the other way. Okay. The next come the same way here there. You can write as what? Dear father, dear mother, dear brother. So we will take up as what? Because usually you will all like your friends, is it not there? So you will write dear friend. And when you write dear friend, children, write the name of your friend. Maybe Ravi or whatever it is, write it there. Okay. And I have told you how many paragraphs there, 3 to 4 paragraphs. First will be again asking about your friends, how is he, all those things will be there in the first paragraph body there. Second will be like what? The content, like how you are undergoing your, suppose this present situation is what about the coronavirus, how you are safe sitting at home and doing all your online studies, all this you can write there. Third is what? Conveying your wishes to the aunt and uncle of this your friend there. Okay. So these will be the pattern. And last I have told you what is it. So here in the box pattern you should write in the margin. Here is slight change there. So you write as what? Your loving friend. Okay. So it will be like what? Your loving friend. So when you write about this, after there are two ways. You can write your loving friend or you can write as what? Yours. Okay. Lovingly. Or we can write as what? Yours affectionately. Okay. Or you can write as what? I think I have to use one more, yours. Okay. So many things are there, children. So and I told you it's informal there. So you can write however you want for your friend. Okay. So the one I've taught you is your box method. Now this is your traditional method. Hope you have understood this method of letter writing there. So try to write 1 or 2 specimens there of your letter writing as your assignment there. Okay, able to follow, children there. Okay, now come back to your official letter writing there. Okay, I have told you this is for the official persons there, the officers there. So let us take the headmistress. Okay, then the editor. I have told you that you have to use as I think with honoring them by the there. Okay, that is to the manager. Okay. Who are not your relatives. Okay, they are all called as your official persons there, and this is called the official letter writing there. Okay, now and here what are points you're going to remember when you write your official letter writing there? Now, it is for the business or official purpose. Now, what is an official purpose? Now, suppose you want to cut down your tree there, which is disturbing you there. You have to write official to the BBMP there. Now, you want to place some order for books, then you have to write to the manager of, suppose we take Swapna Book House or whatever it is. So, any book house for matter. So, you have to use as word to the manager. Okay, you have to write some article in your newspaper. You're going to use the editor. So, apart from the relatives, it all comes under what's in the officials. But the headmistress asking for a leave permission or for a transfer certificate, all this comes under your official letter writing. Okay. The language that is used is very, very formal. So, I think already you have done your unofficial letter writing, you know. So, here you can't say hi, how are you, all this you can't use it because they are official persons, dignified personalities, you have to use in a very, language in a very, very, very formal way. Okay, passive voice is used. So, what's the meaning of passive? I told two voices. One is active voice, one is passive voice. So, what is this voice? Example. Okay, this is for the, I received your letter such a date then. When you're going to convert into a passive voice, how are you going to write your letter was received by me on such a particular date. So, here everything will be in your passive voice. Now, come to the body of the letter, which is very, very important. So, what is the body of the letter? So, here it has short 3 paragraphs. Okay, and one more thing to remember, children, never write, why I have written is, this is wrong. You should never write in language your numbers. It should be written as your words only. So, 3 paragraphs. So, what the first paragraph contains there? It is your introduction. Okay, second is subject matter. So, okay, it's regarding your the leave or absence of leave, or you need leave there, or placing your order for the books, all this you can write. Reference will be sometimes for the job and all those things and all that. You can quote a reference there. Okay, suppose you are applying for a job, you can write the letter dated on such a particular date and all, and you can write the reference there, okay, the date and the number. Suppose you are in a job, someone has referred you there, okay, and that, because in IT companies and all, they'll ask you a referral there. At the time, you can write the referral number. And finally, it's a conclusion. It's a proper order you have. Which are 3 orders you have? Introduction, subject matter, the reference, date and the number, and the conclusion. So, let's first go for your box pattern. So, what's the pattern you're going to take up here? I have already told you there are 2 patterns. One is box, one is your traditional. Okay. So, let us first go for the box pattern. Okay. Now, the box pattern I have told you same thing like your personal identity. Everything comes towards the margin side. So, let us start with this. Now, here. First is what, children? Is from. So, you are writing a letter. So, it should be from. You have to mention from. Okay, children? Comma. Next, suppose, and one more thing, in a 10th board exams and all, they will not ask you to write your name. Okay, they will ask you to write your imagined name. The themselves will quote the name there. You will write that name. Suppose you are asking them, Praveen will take up. So, it's from Praveen. Okay, the address. So, the address whatever is. Suppose it is your school. Okay, you can write your school name. Okay, next is what I have told you, the date. Already I have mentioned you the date, how you are supposed to write the date there. So, it should be as what? The 4th May, suppose it's the 5th June. So, you will write as 5th June 2020. Okay, children. Suppose you have forgotten the date. Okay. So, what you can do, the same way you can write the date here. Write the date in this particular order. Okay. Next will be what? To. So, to whom you are going to write? Okay, we will assume a pattern there. So, you are going to write to the editor of Times of India. So, you will use a word as what? To the editor. So, I have told you Times of India, maybe Deccan Herald also will be fine, any newspaper, okay children. So, you can write that. This is the official way of writing it, okay. So, which area it is? Bangalore with a pin code, okay. So, here it will be some that you know no children, that it's 97, 94, 98, whatever it is. Okay. Next is your salutation. So, salutations I have told you that use the word respected always, because this is very, very formal. So, respected sir or madam. Suppose you know the person is a madam there, you can directly use the word madam there. Okay. Next is your subject. So, what's the subject I have already told you. Now, you have taken up to the editor. So, what you will write there? Suppose you want to print your articles there. So, you will write about publishing your matter, you will write publication. Okay. Of article. Or anything. Okay, children. Or you want to quote about the problems in an area also, you can write problems in an area. Okay. And here, you can start with what? I the above. After I, the comma, again you not write your name and all that. I, the above, would like to kindly bring to your notice. And here I have told you it's very formal. So maximum you can finish it off in 4 to 5 lines. The content there. Okay. Now next is kindly do the needful. If any work has to be done. Okay. Next, otherwise you can write, now suppose I have given you publication of your article. So you can write hope it will be published as early as possible. As early as possible. And see that always when write at writing children there, it should be one single page because I have written all the points there. I am unable to cover it up in this there. But you have to try to use it in one particular order. And here also subject can be not here also. It can be right to the corner here also. You can write it there. So I have told you it's a box pattern. So you can write a subject here also. The subject, or you want to write your reference. All can be in one order, which is very easy for you to remember. Okay. Now finally what happens here, it will be thanking. I have told you it's a box method, so everything to be to your corner. Thanking you. Okay, it should be yours truly is better to write. If you are a student writing for a teacher, then you can write your obedient students there, or yours obediently and the name. So this is what you learn the box pattern of your official letter writing. Hope you have understood that. Tradition will be little slightly a change in that. Only that addresses will be changed there. Rest all will be the similar thing there. Okay. Okay, children. Now we are going to come to your traditional method of your official letter writing. Okay, children. Now what's the first thing I have told you in the beginning also there? Everything comes to your margin, which is a box pattern. Now traditional is almost the same thing only there. So you can write what from here. So I have told you can imagine a name. Okay. Then your address, once again I write it for you there. Then the date I have told you how to write. Yes. Next it will be to. So what is that to that you are going to write there? The person whoever you are going to write there. To the editor. Yeah. The Deccan Herald and all these things I have written there. Okay. Next it will be your salutations there. So it will be respected Sir or Madam. Then it is the subject matter that you are going to write here. So subject here in traditional will be to the center here, children. For the box method you can write to the margin there. This you can write here there. Then it will be your reference. Suppose if you have for a job or whatever it is, you can write a reference number. Then it is straight away I, the above, same, the body or the content, whatever you are going to write here. Okay. So it should be maximum 3 paras or your 2 paras also, but it should be very official there. Okay. Next. So what's the thing? One slight difference here. When you take the box pattern, everything is towards the corner, children. But here, slight change. So thanking you will be here. To the center or the body of the letter. Okay, then I have told you already there. So yours faithfully will be towards the margin, will write the box letter, but here's a slight change there. So it will be yours truly, or I have told you can write what? Yours faithfully, or you can write as what? Your obedient students. See that everything is in one line, and letter writing also should be in the same one page, children there. Okay, and your name. That's it. Okay, very simple for you there. So write the name whenever it is given to you there. So there's a traditional method, official, almost all the same thing. Only these will be a slight change for you. Okay, hope you have understood this letter writing, children. Okay, if there's any doubt, you can mail us your doubt in the school email there. Thank you for watching this, children.